You know, those days where everything that you had planned seems to go out the window and everything you wanted to do doesn't get done because you have to do a whole heap of other stuff, and well, yeah, that. So I ended up at the pharmacy and the doctors because I had a whole heap of really quite unpleasant side effects off my drugs at the weekend, and they made me really quite ill. I have been advised not to take them anymore, so that leaves me drugless. This is not a good state of affairs. Meanwhile, the triumph for me today, well, I was so freaking busy I didn't have time to eat anything. I ended up having a very quick coffee meeting with someone, and at the time I was there I had some kumara chowder, because that was the fastest thing they could give me because it only had 20 minutes, and that is all I've had all day. I haven't even had time for coffee, so I suppose that's good in one side of things but bad in another. And yeah, how have you gone today? How's your snacking been? Because, well, I haven't even had time for snacks. So have you had any snacks? What snacks did you have? And finally, one thing that you're going to do tomorrow that you didn't get done today. Mine would have to be exercise.